For the push to start overlays, you're going to need a microfiber towel, 91% isopropyl alcohol, a credit card, and a heat gun or a hair dryer. Begin by cleaning the push to start button with isopropyl alcohol. Grab a credit card to get in between the button and the console. This will ensure that the edges of the film will not peel. Once you're done cleaning the button, grab that same towel to wipe off any oils off your fingers. Then remove the backing paper from the decal. Align the cutout on the decal to the push to start light. Be sure to keep the bottom of the decal elevated to avoid trapping any air pockets. Once you're happy with the alignment, gradually push the decal from top to bottom, ensuring that you don't leave any air pockets behind. Next, you're gonna grab the heat gun or a hair dryer, and on low setting, you're gonna shrink the edges of the film. Then you're gonna run your finger from the first bevel to the second bevel, and you're gonna go around the button, taking your time, making sure that you don't leave any air pockets behind. You're gonna wanna apply a little bit more heat on the left-hand side of the button. Then you're gonna wanna grab the credit card and you wanna gently push out those air pockets. Just take your time when you're doing this area and just make sure that you don't apply too much pressure.